is not recommending any criminal charges against President Joe Biden for his handling of classified documents. Excuse me, the report out this afternoon says Biden did keep classified documents. Before we go, let's take a live look outside over the William A. Irvin. And my goodness, Hunter, before we came back from commercials, I knew I had to hiccup. And it just so happened in the first story back. I'm like, please don't let it happen.
I was trying so hard not to laugh.
I was trying to breathe, and I go, yeah. So I'll allow you to talk about the weather while I remain quiet.
You know what?
Here.
That's how you know it's live TV, folks. You never know what's going to happen. But
no, you don't.
As we go into the weekend,